A young man sells a company to Microsoft for $7.5 billion. The name of that company? Why, GitHub, of course. All right, welcome back. Well, this story has been all over the news. I really wasn't going to comment on this that much because I don't personally use GitHub. There's nothing wrong with GitHub. But Microsoft bought the company from a young man, 33-year-old, who co-founded the company GitHub in 2008 along with other friends, other software developers. And he's saying here that Microsoft was a very different company back then. I would imagine so. He also says that as a kid growing up in Ohio, he tried to teach himself computer programming. He wanted to be a developer, make video games and websites. He always wanted to be part of a team, building things that people love. He told Entrepreneur in 2017. By the early 2000s, Juan Strath, I hope I say his name right, had lost his love for computers, but he decided to major in English. Interesting. He figured that whatever he did in life, he'd have to speak, read, and write English. Hey, you talking to me in English? But it says here, still he wanted to be a developer. I was born in Brooklyn, that's why. Anyway, he didn't ever think he thought that a degree was going to be necessary. He thought skills were necessary. All he wanted to do was start learning a lot. And apparently he did what he had to do, although he found himself not going to school and skipping class. That's usually not a good idea. What is a good idea that paid off, he says here, instead of doing drugs or whatever, I was programming. That was a very wise decision that led to the selling of GitHub to Microsoft for $7.5 billion. What else? Well, I mean, what else can I say except congratulations to that young man and the co-founders. That's my take on this story. I'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy your technology, and remember that the best OS, the best operating system is yourself. So please use it wisely. Ciao.